So in this video, we are going to learn about system of linear equation in SAT. So what is the system of linear equation? This is usually a set of two linear equations. It is set of two linear equation, and in this both are linear. And linear and has two variables. Both are linear and has two variables. Let me repeat what are I'm writing here in short form. Okay, so let me explain one more time what are system of linear equation. System of linear equation means it is a set of two linear equation. It is a set of two linear equation in which both should be linear, and both should have two variables. Now let me give you an example here. So the example of this is x plus y equals to 5 and 2x minus y equals to 1. So in this both are linear here. This and this both are linear, and both have here two variables x and y. I hope you know that x and y or any other alphabetical constant is known as the variable. So this has two variable, both have two variable, and both are linear. And I hope you know means linear means the exponential power of the equation is 1. Exponential power of the equation is 1 means the exponents of all the variables are 1. So a linear equation with two variable has an infinite number of solution. It means that a linear equation with two variable means that this and this has infinite number of solution. They have infinite number of solution, but system, now listen carefully, but system of two linear equation with two variables can have single solution that satisfy both solution. It means that if we look individually here, why is that? So this says that if we look individually here, a linear equation, if we look individually at a single linear equation, both individually have infinite solutions. Means this can have infinite number of solution as a individual linear equation, and this can have also infinite number of solution as an linear equation. But when we talk about system of linear equation, means if we talk in pair of this as a system of linear equation, there is only and only one solution of this. There is only and only one solution of this that satisfy the condition for both. It means that it is the solution for both. Let me repeat that this individual linear equation with two variable has infinite number of solutions, but if we talk about the set of solution, it has only and only one solution that satisfy both equation. Okay, it means that this cannot have more than one solution. Like this cannot have more than one value of x and y which could satisfy the equation. If it is there, it might be some error, but in real practical condition, there is only one solution for two variables. Now like if I give you an example here, let me give you an simple example here, that let's take a random sample example. X plus y equals to 2, and it is very simple, I know, but I have to explain in this one video, so we are taking a simple example. Yeah, okay, so like here the value of x plus y equals to 2. Now we know that it can have infinite number of solution. Individually it can have infinite number of solution. This can also have infinite number of solution, but we need a solution for this both which can satisfy both. We need that. Now for this we will simply solve this that by substituting the value of from any equation of x or y to any equation. Now let me explain you what I am how we are going to solve. Like it is a short explanation, and if you want the long explanation, you can refer my channel for that. So here, like if we will isolate x here, let me try with different pen. Yeah, we will isolate x here, and we would subtract y from both sides. Then it would be 2 minus y. Then the value of x which we found by isolating, we will put in this. Then it would be something like 2 minus y plus y. I think there's something error or what? Oh, I think the equation is wrong. Anyways, please you solve your example by own. I think my example is wrong. I'm really sorry. So please mention in the comments that what were my mistake. I know what is my mistake, but I want to test you. It's a test for you to tell me what was my mistake. It is a test for you to tell me what was my mistake. Okay, thank you so much. Bye guys. So please like, share and subscribe. Please help me in this my extracurricular activities. Please make sure you subscribe. Please, thank you guys. Thank you so much, and please at least like my video.